Heute zeige ich euch, wie man Multiplikation richtig gut oder auch richtig gut lernen kann.
Aber Katja?
Was los, Konrad?
Was ist denn Multiplikation?
Wann man zum Beispiel 5 mal 2 sagt, dann muss man die 5 nehmen und 2 mal als mal nehmen, also es bedeutet 5 plus 5 machen, weil es 2 ist. Wann es 5 mal 4 ist, dann ist es 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Wann 5 mal 1 ist, dann 5 plus nix. Wann es 5 mal 0, dann ist es 0, weil du nix hast.
Ach so, ich hab's jetzt verstanden.
Do you struggle with multiplication? Does the thought of multiplying large numbers give you a headache? Well, there's no need to fret any longer. Today, we'll unravel the mystery of multiplication, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Imagine a scenario. You're in a garden and you decide to plant 3 rows of apple trees. If you plant 5 trees in each row, how many trees will you have in total? This is where multiplication comes into play. Start by identifying the numbers you need to multiply. In this case, it's 3 and 5. These numbers are called factors. The result of multiplying them is called the product. So 3 and 5 are the factors, and the product is what we're trying to find. Think of multiplication as repeated addition. If you have 3 groups of 5, you could add 5 plus 5 plus 5 and you'd get 15. So 3 times 5 equals 15. The symbol for multiplication is x, so we write this as 3x5 equals sign 15. Now let's crank it up a notch. What if you're not just multiplying single-digit numbers? What if you have to multiply 2 double-digit numbers, like 25 and 12? This might seem scary at first, but it's just a matter of breaking the problem down into smaller, manageable parts. Start by writing the numbers one below the other, with the larger number on top. Multiply the digit in the ones place of the bottom number with each digit in the top number starting from the right. Remember to carry over any tens to the next digit. Then, move to the tens place of the bottom number and repeat the process, but this time, add a 0 to the end of your result. Add these results together and voila, you have your final product. So to summarize, multiplication is a straightforward process once you know the steps. 1. Identify the numbers you need to multiply. These are your factors. 1. Think of multiplication as repeated addition. 1. If you're multiplying 2 multi-digit numbers, write them one below the other with the larger number on top. 1. Multiply the digit in the ones place of the bottom number with each digit in the top number, carrying over any tens. 1. Move to the tens place of the bottom number, repeat the process but add a 0 to the end of your result. 1. Add these results together to get your final product. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you multiply, the easier it will become, so don't let multiplication intimidate you. With these steps, you can conquer any multiplication problem that comes your way. Happy multiplying!